Okay, just getting after it still some more. All right, so we have this point, 8, negative 8, 12, onto 5, 4. So I'm just going to say negative 8, 12 is going to 5, negative 4. All right, so according to that same translation, what would 7, 8 be? All right, so we're just going to write 7, 8 down here because we got some thinking to do. All right, so you got to think, what did we do to negative 8 to get to 5? Well, we just added 13. And we could put this all in a coordinate plane, but these are more just like thinking problems, thinking through what happened, which is a good thing to do. All right, visualizing the translation that occurred. So this is the rule. We'll put it in coordinate notation just for extra practice. Okay. So then the point I have that already exists, all I got to do is we'll say plug in 7 for x. It's going to spit out 20. Plug in 8. Oops, I forgot the y minus. I'm so embarrassed. Oh no. All right. 8 minus 16, negative 8. All right, and that's the answer right there. Hooray, math. All right, a couple more problems just to ensure that we're getting it. Is explain what in words what the following transformation does. So plus, let's even write this out. For x plus a would be right. X minus a would be left. For y plus b would be up. Y minus b would be down. All right, so in words, what does this do? Simple as this. Right 3, down 11. And even though this is a video, and you can pause it, I will pause too to make sure you wrote that down. I wrote that down pretty quickly, so just take some time. Write it down. All right, and then just to emphasize this, so you can see either or, where we A or H, K or B, those are interchangeable. All right, so we're gonna do it using words. All right, so you always need to find the starting triangle. This is it right here. Okay, that's A, B, C. And then A prime, B prime, C prime, prime is end. All right, people just want to try to read it from left to right like they would a book. Translations can go any direction, just so make sure you know which way it's going for sure. All right, this coordinate plane is a little bit weird, but let's just pick a point that seems pretty good. We'll just pick B because that's the first one I saw. We're counting by twos, so we went plus 2. All right, and then this down 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, and we went down 4. So in words, it's easy as this. Right 2, down 4. In coordinate notation, it would look like this. And then to emphasize what I was just talking about is this is our end, this is our start. All right, make sure you identify using prime notation, incredibly important. So first let's figure out what we're doing. We're going 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. All right, so this time we went left 4, up 1. So we went in the exact opposite direction, which is good. So we gotta see everything that we needed to. All right. Ooh, I love this problem right here. This problem I stole from the air test. which you guys will have to take eventually. Alright, so triangle GHI has these vertices, negative 8, 2, 13, 2, negative 2, 10. Alright, G prime is negative 1, negative 3. Alright, so we got to figure out what are the other coordinates for H prime and I prime. So when you take the air test, you have graph, paper. So you could graph this as much as you wanted to. There's also Desmos. You can graph in Desmos. However, I would just use the algebraic techniques that we've been using. So what I would do is say, well, if G is negative 8, 2, G prime is negative 1, negative 3. Again, we can just figure this out without graphing and say, okay, negative 8 to negative 1, what did I do there? I plus 7. 2 to negative 3, I minus 5. Alright, so then I can say, well, this is my coordinate notation. So if I want H is 13, 2, okay, plugging it in there, I can say, well, H prime will be 13 plus 7, 20, 2 minus 5, negative 3. So, and then I could say I is negative 2, 10, plugging it into that rule, negative 2 plus 7, 5, 10 minus 5, 5, so 5, 5. Stay tuned for more.